Yo, yo, yo! What's up mga pre? Nandito ako ngayon, another recording session. Yan, tingnan nyo yung mga tracks ko. Ang konti lang, di ba? Simple lang. Limang tracks lang yan. Pero pakinggan nyo yung tunog. But there never seems to be enough time to do the things you wanna do once you find them. I've looked around enough to know that you're the one I wanna go through time with. O di ba 5 tracks lang pero ang kapal ng tunog. Di ba parang ang dami nangyayari. Kasi naka-group yan, ano ka ba? Hindi mo naman alam eh. Oh, harmonies, marami yan. From Harm 1 to Harmony 10. Diba? Ang dami nang nagawa kong harmonies, guys. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. Tapos yung guitars, dalawa lang yung guitars ko dyan. Nag-layer lang ako. And syempre yung pads, 2 pads yan. Yung minor and yung major. Shift. Tapos additional effects, syempre yung chimes natin. Nasaan na yung chimes? Yun. Yan yung chimes natin. That's all. Tapos magkakaroon ka na ng ganitong tunog. But there never seems to be enough time to do the things you wanna do once you find them. Diba? By the way, yung puti pala main vocal. Yan, yarn. Yan lang. By the way, yung title ng kantang to is Time in a Bottle by Jim Croce. Tama ba yung pronounce? I don't know. Correct me if I'm wrong na lang. And yan, abangan nyo yung next cover ko. Will be out soon. Requested to ng isang matalik kong kaibigan. Shout out pala kay Flips. Alright. See you soon. See you on the next video.